Guys, Beso here from Bicycle House. Today we have very exciting project build, and I decided to share it with you. So this bike basically gonna be for myself, and this is gonna be dream bike build for 2025. As you guys see, I choose Cervelo S5. As some of you knows, I used to race professionally for a while, and since I quit racing, I've been doing mainly mountain bike there and there. But this was the first season that I decided that I want to go on the road again. I was kind of craving it. So, you know, after I decided that, then I had another question with myself, like what bike I want to ride. I had two options basically what I liked to try. There was one Scott foil and one was Cervelo S5, and for now I choose Cervelo S5 since I already have an experience riding Scott foil. I just want to try something new, something different, and I truly believe S5 could be one of the fastest bike out there. It feels super fast. Each time I rode I was very impressed, so that's all I want, that's all I like, so decide to go with it. So what about that particular frame, this color? This is the Jumbo-Visma very famous color frame set. They typically don't sell this bike as a stock build. You have to buy the frame basically, and they are pretty limited as well, and then you build whatever you want to build. So I decided to go with SRAM Red 2x12, newest red that SRAM released not too long ago. Also, I am going to use Syncros Capital 1.0 S wheels, front and rear 60mm dips, and it's a hookless, and they are both front and rear probably approximately 1,400 grams. Pretty lightweight, it's not lightest definitely, but it's also 60mm dip, so it considered, I would say, not too bad. Going to use Prologo saddle, Nago 147, and Prologo bar tape. Also going to try something new as a bike computer. I'm going to try SRAM Caro Hammerhead instead of Garmin. I always used to use Garmin. I don't really know which one is better, but I was intrigued by Caro. I wanted to just check how that feels. I truly believe Garmin could be one of the best out there right now, but it has some competition. We have Wahoo option, we have Caro, so you know what, I want to try something new. So that's gonna be another thing. Besides that, about the tires, I got right now I have Vittorias, but most Corsas, but I'm most likely going to change Pirelli P0 Race. I like Pirelli slightly better for myself. 28mm front and back, pretty much gonna be the same. And the frame size is 51 centimeter. I have choice between 51 to 54, but I always go slightly smaller frames. I mean, it's also ideal for my height. I would say 52 would be a little bit better, but like if we take a geometry of S5, probably 51 would match the best. Also, I'm pretty aggressive rider. I like aggressive geometry, so I'll be absolutely fine. So yeah, that was pretty much the little preview. Just right before I start my build, I wanted to ask you guys to share, subscribe, and like our channel, so we have more bike contents for you. Let's go, and I'll show you some details during the build up.